All right, we got a key fob from a 2025 Toyota Corolla. You need to change your battery. This is how you're going to open up the remote without damaging the remote. So we flip it over and there's a switch right here. Then we're going to flip the switch to the left, slide it to the left. You're going to hold it with your thumb and you're going to pull out the emergency key, okay? That unlocks the emergency key that opens your driver's door. Now with the buttons facing down, that's how we're going to want to open this. There is a slot right here. It's a horizontal slot right here. Okay, you're going to get a flathead screwdriver. You can probably use the key if you want to, but I like to use a screwdriver because I have one. Put it in here like this and just give it a twist clockwise. That cracks it right open. Nice and easy, no damage to the remote. You saw how this all popped up when I picked it up. It's because this will come out pretty easily and all the buttons will come out pretty easily and fall all over the place. That's why we're doing it with the buttons facing down. All right, so go ahead and just hold it like this. Go at the bottom, there's a little slot here for your screwdriver or your key. Pop the battery out like this. Show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it back in here just like this. A little sticky. Locks right on like that, okay? Now if you need a battery, there's a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can get another Panasonic battery. They're like 2 for $5. They're pretty cheap there. So go and check that out if you need it. Now if you took this out, you are gonna have to get it back in here. It sits in here nice and neat, okay? Just like this. And you get the back cover and stick it on here. Everything will line up nice and neat. Toyota does a good job making these and they're pretty nice. Just snap it back together. You hear it all click. No more seams. Emergency key goes back in. If it locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.